welcome back. Today we are going to see a 4K ultra short throw cinema. Matching to the aesthetics, we are given a surround back speaker, which is bookshelf white color. There is ceiling Atmos speakers, and you can see the kid standing there can operate the ultra short throw projector just by pulling the draw manually. And also the same thing can be done motorized also. The tower speakers are also aesthetically same. Let's see the demo.
अरे आओ देखो सारे घर घर में है सितारे प्रोजेक्शन वर्ल्ड में आए और सारे फिल्म प्यारे है क्रिस्टल क्लियर पिक्चर और ऑडियो भी है सिक्सर सुपर इजी इंस्टॉलिंग का फंडा हर घर सिनेमा